This is a very exciting day for us today at Silhouette Patterns as we release the new Fall 2024 patterns. You'll get a link. They'll be released tonight at 8 o'clock officially. And so all of these fabrics have to do with those patterns, and they're just the fall colors. They're just everything beautiful. This first is a cotton poly, and it's meant to duplicate the old slub silk, which is just a beautiful piece. The beauty about these fabrics now, these are Italian, is that the matte side is completely usable. It's so beautiful. And then sometimes, like we did on the new pattern, 624, you can just accent the collar. It's just a beautiful reddish brown. It's that buckthorn brown, but it just got a little bit more red in it, and it's a woven. Just a beautiful fabric, especially for that blouse. Just would work really well. Also, in case there's a print, this is a cotton poly. Again, just a beautiful piece of fabric. You can see all the new colors are in there. Very, very pretty. This is a stretch woven. Again, same color family. They all just blend really well together. It's a stretch woven with stretch in both directions. Very pretty, great drape. This is a cotton poly, even though it's hard to see any poly, very little bit of poly in it, but it's just has a beautiful drape to it. This here we have is 100% cotton. And again, what you're seeing, I mean, it's got beautiful drape, is the sheen on the one side just for like a little bit of the collar, and then this would be for the rest of the blouse. Just, oh, they're so pretty. A pant would look beautiful and hang beautiful in any of these. This is just my pet fabric. I just absolutely love this fabric. It blends, you can see the colorations of those. It also can go with black. You can see it can go with brown. It's this new stretch woven that is like a sweater knit. It has great stretch in one direction. The colors are just incredible, all fall colors. This is 100% cotton, just a beautiful piece of fabric. This also was 100% cotton. I don't know if I said that. And then we've got this brown, it's stretch in both directions. This is 100% viscose, great drape for that new top, Kellen's twist front top. This would be just so pretty in it. 100% viscose, and again, stretch in both directions. And then florals, and we know florals are big, and so I went ahead and put a floral in here, which has great colors. You see the teal, the yellow, the brown, just beautiful. Again, stretch in both directions, and 100% viscose, great drape. So the goal is always have happy sewing, happy fun sewing, happy fall fashion sewing from Silhouette Patterns.